Welcome to our YouTube channel Pradhan IT Trainer. Today in this video we are going to discuss a new topic. In this video we are going to discuss the topic binary search. Binary search is a technique to search an element with the array elements are sorted into sequence either in ascending order or descending order. It always compares the element to be searched with the middle element of the sorted array. If the middle element is smaller, then the search is carried out in upper half. Otherwise, the search continue in the lower half. The middle element of the either the half is compared with the search item. This process is repeated till search terminates. Let's try to understand the whole scenario in the form of figure. Suppose we having a 10 different numbers in the sorted form. These are like 2, 3, 5, 9, 12, 17, 20, 25, 35 and 40. These are stored in the index of 0, 1, 2 till the 9 positions. Now starting we having a 0 and the end we having the 9. So total we having a 10 different numbers, that is in the form of sorted order. Now what we have to do, we have to search a certain element. Suppose we have to search the number 5. So now here we have to, as we all know that the linear search, it starts from the beginning of the position till the end. So it starts searching from 0th position to the 9th position. But here in the binary search, it does the searching process from the middle elements. So how it does the process? Middle is equal to start plus end divided by 2. So here starting we having a 0 and the end we having a 9. So middle is equal to 0 plus 9 divided by 2 equal to 4.5. So here according to the integer we having a number 4, because the data type here we have been taken a integer. So it will not take a double. So it will take the position of 4. So right now we got the middle position, that is 12 in the 4th positions. So now there will be a chances of 3 cases. Either the search element is equal to the middle element. Now the search element we having a 5 equal 12. No, this is false. If it is true, then it will give the message successful, but this one is a false. So there will be a chances of 2 more cases. There will be in case 2, either the search element is less than middle element or the search element is greater than middle element. But here the condition like 5 is less than 12. Yes, the condition is true. So it will go to the left side of here we have got the number and 2, 3, 5 and 9 in the position 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now again we have to find the middle element. So middle is equal to 0 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 1.5. So here we got the middle according to the data type integer, we got the middle is 1. So in the one place we having a number 3. Now that 3 is the middle element and we have to search with the element 5. Now 5 equal 3. So this condition is false. Now again there will be a chances of 2 cases. Either it will go the left side or right side. So here the number is the right side because 5 is greater than 3. So now it will discard the left side of the number. So right now we having a 2 number, that is 5 and 9 in the position of 2 and 3. Now again we will divide these numbers, like middle is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 2.5. Now here we got the middle, that is in the position of 2, that is 5. So this place is the successful because 5 is equal to middle element 5. So here we got the success. So further it will not do the proceed and it will terminate from the loop. So this is the way we have to find out the binary search. So let's start our coding. do our binary searching program with the data type here int, and the array name is arr is equal to new int. The array size, it will be 10, and the index int I. Let's initialize the search sh with the variable, and the starting is s and ending is e, and for the condition is true or not, that means the searching is present or not. For that we have to take the boolean, take k is equal to false first. Now here we'll input 10 different numbers. For that we have to start with the loop for I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Here we will give the message system dot out dot print ln to enter number to give the message. So we want to start with the number 1, so I plus 1. To input a command, we having the array name is arr I is equal to integer dot parse int br dot read line, curly braces close. So this part is for the input 10 different numbers, and here we will input for the search number system out dot print ln to enter a search number. So here the search number, the variable is sh is equal to integer. You will put here, you will copy this one, paste here. Now we'll run the loop for searching. We'll start with the while here the starting, that means the lower, is less than equal to the upper. So upper here we are having the e. Now we have to find out the middle. For the middle you can put here mid, middle. So middle is equal to starting plus ending divided by 2. So here we will get the middle. Now if the search number is equal middle array middle, then this one will break and no need to process, because this one is a successful. This is a case 1. So here will k is equal to true, as a boolean we have taken, so true, and will break. When there will be a chances of two cases, like case 2 and case 3, that means in that case when the search is greater than array middle, in that case we have to lower, that means starting is equal to middle plus 1. If search is, another case, is less than array middle, then this case, that upper means here e is equal to middle minus 1. So there will be a chances of 3 cases, either if it is equal, if it is a greater, or it is a smaller. This condition will repeatedly till the condition is satisfied. If k is equal true, that means we got the number. So system dot out dot print, So the search number is successful. So search number we are having sh. If this condition is false, so we are having a message that search number is not successful. We'll close the main method and close the public. Compile this program. So here we are having error. Let's initialize that starting is 0 and ending is equal to 9. Compile, no syntax error, close, right click on void main. Okay, here enter numbers like 2, 3, 5, 9, 12, 17, 20, 25, 35, and the last is 40. So enter a search number. Our search number is 5. So we have got the message, the search number is successful. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.